welcome to this tech and trains channel video, and in this video I'll be showing you the Raspberry Pi project, which enables me to self-drive the trains, although that is in the future, and I'll show you the project so far. Last time on the video I showed you the timetabling system. Well, also I have just got the signals to work controlled by Raspberry Pi. Well, I've got two of the signals. Some of the signals are automatic and some of them are non-automatic, but I've got these two signals to work by Raspberry Pi control, and also the point motor over here. I'll just give you a quick demonstration. The signal over there is red. Then here's the screen. Just focus. Yep. So I can go signal, and that's signal number 4 over there. You can change it. Let's change it to yellow. Yep, that's it, changed to yellow. Then you can go back. We can go signal 4. Let's change it to green. So this Raspberry Pi here is doing the user input, and this Raspberry Pi over here is controlling the relay over here. So what we have here is we have two aspects signal controlled by that relay, and we have 3 aspect signal controlled by 1, 2, 3 relays, a point motor controlled by these 2 relays. So we'll just reset this signal over here back to red. So you can go signal. Ooh. And signal number 4. And let's change it back to red. And that's that signal reset. Process can be applied to the signal over here. So I'll put in signal 1 green. That signal changed to green. Put signal 1 red. Right, so the good thing about the system is that if it runs into any if it runs into any error, it will send me an email and tell me what the error is. So if for some reason there's an internal error with the program, it will tell me exactly what's happened. Also, a similar process works for the point motor over here. So just zoom in on the screen again. Point motor. It's point motor number 1 over there. Let's change it to right. Just click enter once I've zoomed in on the point. Enter. That's the point changed. I can change it back, so that'll be point 1 left. Oh, and that was the internet running slightly slow there, because the Pis do communicate with each other over the internet, even though they are right next to each other. All of the programs I use on this layout, this program is once again coded by me, and the same for this. So what these two Raspberry Pis are doing is they're communicating with each other over the internet, and they're actually communicating with each other using my email address, which means I do get spammed with a few emails, if you're wondering. So what this one does is it sends 3 parameters. Sends if it's a signal or point motor or shutdown. Sends signal, point motor, shutdown, and then it sends what number it is, and then it sends what position it is. So for example, if it was a signal, it would be signal number, or say signal number 1, it'd be signal 1 red, and that would change signal number 1 to red. So basically it's basically sending exactly what I'm typing in here. Signal 1 green. Yeah, so it's basically sending exactly what's there. Can reset this again. Signal 1 red. And that's it reset. The time in between me pressing the enter key, is the internet connection. It's a bit slow, but it gives a nice bit of reality. So next to wire up to the relays is the point motor. Over here you can probably just about see the Pico surface mounted point motor, yeah, there. And then after that I might choose to wire in the lights at the station here. I'll just turn them on so you can see. But those don't necessarily need to be wired in. I do have the relays to wire those in, but they don't necessarily need to be wired in. I've also got some spare switches. Let me zoom out. Got some spare switches left over from the old signals and point motors that used to be manually controlled, so I can use them to control the lighting instead. So thank you for watching this Tech and Trains channel video. If you have any questions about the program, or you want to use a program or anything like that, you can get in touch in the comments section below. Please comment, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.